Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, February 19th. We've seen close to half an inch of rain here at Wallops since 2 a.m. this morning. We're going to continue to see scattered light showers throughout the remainder of the morning hours and into much of the afternoon, and then rain should be out of here by about 4 p.m., continuing to see cloudy skies through the late afternoon, and then overnight we'll see clouds clear out after midnight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have this front moving across the eastern seaboard here, providing scattered showers and a little bit of wintry mixed precipitation across the entire east coast. Not going to be seeing any wintry precipitation mix in here at Wallops. It's going to be raining throughout the day today. Could see a little bit of wintry mix up near Salisbury, though, as this rain event ends here once we get closer to lunchtime. We are going to see, like I said, scattered showers continuing, and then we will be seeing high pressure start to move in late tonight, which will help clear out our skies a bit, but also bringing in a very chilly air mass for the weekend. Let's take a look at our radar across the region. Still have scattered showers across the mid-Atlantic, and we're going to see those pick up a little bit here as we go into the next hour or two. You can see quite a bit of freezing rain and sleet across mainland Virginia still this morning, and could see a little bit of that mixing around Salisbury, but here at Wallops we're going to remain in the mid to upper 30s, so we're going to remain in the form of rain throughout the remainder of this event. Let's take a look at our satellite across the region this morning. Abundant clouds across the mid-Atlantic, and once the rain ends around 4 p.m., still going to be seeing some lower clouds linger across the area. High pressure isn't expected to move in to bring in that drier air mass until we get into later tonight, and that's going to be likely after midnight when we'll really start to see those clouds clear out of the area. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we were seeing northerly winds at the surface and then becoming variable at 3,000 feet at 7 knots, and then from 6,000 feet upward seeing southwesterly winds increase from 18 knots at 6,000 feet up to around 80 knots between the 20 and 25,000 foot level. Seeing a freezing level this morning fairly high for this time of year at around 10,400 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of only 39 degrees this afternoon. We are going to be seeing northwesterly winds around 9 to 14 knots and gusty continue throughout the day today and into tonight as well. Not expecting too much of a change in our winds as we go into mid-morning tomorrow, and then after 8 a.m. tomorrow we'll start to see those winds increase just a little bit, with only around a 40% chance of seeing a brief wind advisory as we go into tomorrow midday for our launch. So winds have been trending a little bit lower for tomorrow, so that's a good sign. We are expecting a chilly low tonight of 27 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing those ceilings continue to be around 1,000 feet or so, depending on if we have any shower activity, perhaps a little bit lower than that. And then as we go into this afternoon, after 4 p.m. when that rain is expected to be out of the area, becoming scattered at 1,000 feet, broken at 2,500, overcast at 5,500. Then by sunset, we'll start to see those clouds break up more and becoming broken at 6,500, broken at 15,000, broken at 25,000. And then by 2 a.m. tonight, just seeing a few to scattered clouds at 2,500 feet, which will persist into mid-morning tomorrow. We are seeing tides a bit high this morning at 1 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model to show how the pattern will be progressing. This is this afternoon. You see that rain moving out of here by the late afternoon period, and then you'll see this large area of high pressure start to move into the region, bringing in some colder and drier air for our weekend. Going to be very chilly out there this weekend. Temperatures struggling to even high temperature struggling to even get up to 40 degrees, and then we're going to see some very chilly lows, especially Sunday morning. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, we could see a little bit of a tight pressure gradient as high pressure continues to build in, but it does look like it's not going to be quite as tight as we thought, so maybe wind gusts of 20 to 25 knots possible, And then as we go into Sunday, we are going to be seeing that high pressure move over the area. Going to give us some calm winds and clear skies for Sunday morning. So expect very chilly temperatures down to close to 20 degrees here. Wallops and areas in the teens are expected across colder portions of the Delmarva for Sunday morning. As we go into Sunday afternoon, we'll still see some light winds throughout the day. High pressure will then shift eastward, and we'll start to get that air mass returning to more mild. As we go into our Monday, we'll see another system approach the area Monday to bring scattered showers throughout the entire region, with temperatures rising to near 50 degrees on Monday with this system. And then as we go on to Tuesday, going to possibly be seeing another piece of shortwave energy move across the area. Could give us a sprinkle here and there, but looks like only less than 10% of that happening. And then expect a pleasant, seasonable day for Wednesday next week, and then maybe seeing another slight chance of a sprinkle Thursday with our next weather system not expected until possibly Friday next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, expect that rain to continue today, a high of only 39 degrees. Chilly tomorrow morning with a low of 27, and then a high of only 38 degrees tomorrow. Slightly breezy at times, so it might feel even colder out there with those wind chills. Sunday's going to be a very cold morning across the region, low of 21 degrees here at Wallops, high of 40 degrees, and then we'll see an early evening low on Sunday night of 27, with temperatures then rising throughout the evening to in advance of our next system Monday, which is going to give us scattered showers pretty much throughout the entire day with a high of 50. Tuesday is going to be fairly pleasant out there, and our mostly cloudy skies with a high of 51. A little bit of shortwave energy moving north of the region could give us very slight chance of an isolated sprinkle, but only around 10% chance for now. Wednesday is going to be very pleasant, partly cloudy, dry with a high of 56, which will be a nice change from what we have been seeing the past several days. And then as we go into Thursday, going to be seeing another high of around 56 degrees under partly to mostly cloudy skies. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.